So parang sabi ko, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Na parang no matter how you go away from breeding, no matter how you go away sa pagmamanok, it will pull you down kasi that is in your heart.
Oh, babalik at babalikan
That
niya.
is in your heart. That is your passion.
Passion eh, oo.
Yes.
Pag yung passion, talagang hahanap-hanapin mo. Kahit saan ka pumunta, abroad, dito sa Maynila, gusto mo talaga yung yung first love mo. No?
Yes. So, kumbaga, after how many years of doing that, sabi ko, I have to decide. I have to decide na talagang dito na ako sa pagmamanok. And then, nauso naman yung digital world. So, pwede mo na pala maging business ang pagmamanok kasi yung digitalization, yung internet, available na sa buong mundo. So, ma-reach out mo na yung mga buyers mo, ma-reach out mo na yung mga gustong mag-finance ng manok mo, nakikita mo na ang mga labanan online. So, kumbaga, sabi ko, pwede na akong kumala sa corporate world and maging source of income ko itong pagmamanok.
More solid stories coming only here on Vargana Podcast. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe